my copy.
Right.
Okay. All right.
Okay.
And what is this? You said this is a gift from Adrian and you and the company?
Yes.
What's inside? Can I look?
Sure. Yes, you do.
Oh, that is nice. Oh, very nice.
Yeah. I'm doing
That's
my
to clean the
best.
car?
I'm doing my best to make you happy, okay?
Clean the car, yeah.
Yeah. This is nice. That's to clean the car, right? Air freshener, interior detailer, glass cleaner. Yeah. Thank you. That's a nice gift. Thank you.
You're welcome. It's been our
So,
pleasure.
so we done now? We're just gonna go get the car?
You gotta get the car.
Okay.
I gotta pull one out so you can drive off.
Oh, congratulations, honey. Oh, my
Thank you, mother.
God. How many cars you gonna have?
As much as I can afford. All right, let's go.
Oh, she's so mean. Thank you so much.
Which way we going? This one.
Yeah, true. We always come from the back. But this is the
You're gonna get a survey.
My email is
Let me
move the truck. How many cars she's gonna have?
I don't know.
I'm so proud of
Moi,
you.
toujours la chérie, femme gon machine qui Moi, toujours la femme gon machine, moi, même à continuer, pas à continuer.
Machine ne semble avant. Belle machine, belle machine. Oh, wow. That's good. Merci beaucoup pour le téléphone. This is a nice car.
Machine 2021, les mamans, of course, you know.
My God. 2021. This is insane. The color.
Gas, you got a full tank of gas.
Yeah.
You're all set.
Thank you very much.
Okay?
Thank you.
All right.
You
You
know,
guys be good. Be good.
did the company give any free services for a couple of years?
I think
Yeah,
you
you-
get
I have
everything
It's in there?
that you
Yeah.
want, yeah.
Bravo! Thank you.
You're all set. The lights are on automatic, so you're good.
Thank you.
Remember to take and all of your extra services paperwork is right here.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah, thank you
All right,
so
thank you
much.
very much.
Okay.
Mom,
Yes.
okay.
Huh?
Okay.
Okay. Oh.
Asan na nagbawa mo? Okay.
Thank you. Yeah, thank you.
No? Bye-bye.
Oh, darling, so sorry.
I don't care.
Oh. Why are you so mean today?
Because you pas de faire l'autre monde vient bon service.
Oh.
Pas rien de temps même monde qui était bon service hier.
So you mad with the company?
Yes, baba la gente.
But you know, he didn't do nothing wrong. I mean.
All right. Let's go.
You go pass the machine, you want to play around the floor?
Yes, la na buda ma on téléphone. So you like the car?
Oh my God! But the car look like you so much. It's so cute.
It looks like me a lot.
Yes.
But it's semblable, si machine nan semble me semble
Oh,
too.
exactly. But they can't look like our family.
Yeah. So, dis comment reme machine nan? Comment feel about machine nan?
Well, some feel about machine, no? I feel very good. And I feel like more again, what bote to deal with like I don't know.
Yeah?
Yeah, because we fait so much to machine for Haiti. Oh
Yeah, but nou bezon machine pou isi.
Oui, besoin, but nous still there. 3 machines paquet de
But nou bagon machine 2021, pake de bok.
Nous pas de machine 2021, non?
Descend, nan ali. Koman call up machine nan? Baban meton de machine call up.
Ok, chérie.
Vin palo man, vini. Ki makak yo for fair? So you like this car, right?
Yes, it's a beautiful car.
I remember. That's your car.
That's my car?
Yes.
So,
Sorry.
Mwen men telman sezi
you
kla
bought the
tombe.
car for me?
Yes.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Monty, what fell?
That is your car for real.
Oh, I feel.
That is your car, baby. I bought it for you.
You do? Oh, mbak kriye. Bala trop, mbak kriye. Bala trop, mbak kriye, non? Mbak kriye. Ah,
E dek lo gen.
So, ou go machine, ou go Infinity 2019, ou go Jeep 2021. So, esko ap jete vie pick-up la?
Ou di kon sa pe pou pote la iti.
Yes, esko ap fe sa?
Yes.
So, pak drive pick-up la
I
anko?
give it to you.
Ou pou omet pou pak drive pick-up la anko? So, ou go machine pou drive, parce que te di Infinity a san ko pa pou kondi de pou la ap sorti. So, ou go machine 2019 pou drive, ou go machine 2021 pou sorti. That's your car, baby.
E mami moute machin nan nan, pou mwen ka kodzil. Ba mwen, me zami, chab de machin nan. Nan machin nan ye.
You deserve it. You're a queen. You are my queen. You deserve everything, my love. E ou pa dou $1 sou li. E mpe assurance tout. So ou pa dou anye sou. Assurance ou paye tout.
Si mte jwen tati vovo jodi, e mont kon sa mta.
Se tati vovo gen pou a machine nan men.
Tati vovo mta pa. Wow! Mes amis, machine nan tellement belle. Moi connais, oui, si machine nan la kala nan utilize. La machine nou tout liye.
Thank you, my love. Thank you. Thank you.
M'pa fi sa ou trop pour moi sous la terre. Non, j'ai pied pantalon pour pas tomber. Mais elle finit seul, oui. Fi ça, l'on besoin prendre même, eh bien chérie, bois maré.
Le bois est marié.
Le bois est vraiment maré.
So, toute la marché de la caméra, on pense que son bail m'a fait parce que m'ba lâcher machine, moi, pas vrai?
Non, mais chérie, c'est une machine. On dit comme ça, on pas roule machine ça, on pas roule ça, pas roule ça. Machine n'a coûté folie $7,000.
But that was years ago. Now I want you to have.
But de pour passer plus sur la sur I-95.
Yes.
So dim dans so ça passer dans ça sorti l'autre bord. It's about what people say. It's about what I don't know those people. They have so much to say. I don't give a damn, but I do give a damn now because this is what I got. Oh
Yeah.
my God.
Faut tu conduire pour moi, non, parlez trop. She's so excited. Oh my God, I love her so much.
An tou le ka se surprise maman e blezi bay maman.
Ça me dit qu'à dire
Ou fe dane la gen se kado Noël.
I'm done with that. Reme maman nous supporter maman nous parce que on morceau maman c'est un morceau qui cher en pile. Moi maman quitte Haïti tout petit. Maman vini maman tourner. Le maman vinn ge papier, maman faut pas qu'être année ici sans papier même j'avais. But maman pas jamais oublier. Comme moi t'es toujours venu, rad moi t'es toujours venu. Everything. Maman c'est tout ça me gagne. c'est lui qui pour moi, c'est lui qui pam. So, je sens si m'a vivre, faut m'a vivre tout. Faut qu'elle content parce que il travaille en pile, il passe en pile misère avec petite, monde pas comprendre ni, yo bal tout nos côtés. Moi me pas qu'à dire rien mal de maman parce que son maman qui t'a cherché la vie, même jeudi à me quitter petite moi, m'a cherché la vie tout côté. She's back. M'a cherché la vie tout côté, so me respecter maman pour effort, me respecter le fait que il t'a quitté pour la chercher la vie, mais jeudi à me quitter petite femme pour m'aller chercher la vie tout. So, parce que toute maman capable de comprendre ça lié. L'or petit ou pas connaît, moun k'ap zou ou ka sentou. C'est une époque m'pas vle maman parce que me senti me dit maman me quitter Haïti. Parce que m'pas trop comprendre la vie, m'étais jeune. Me dit pour ça maman me quitter, m'pas sans pile misère. Den qu'on y a me vinn quitter petite moi yo. M'a voyagé tout côté, m'a parti tout côté. So yes. So moi comprendre ça le sacrifice t'a fait pour moi, ça t'a enduré pour être capable. Je ne dis à vous être capable tout ça me besoin.